So, I mean, with that, the listeners listening, and again, I think the all-time classic, there's always two sides to a coin, right? I want you to kind of talk about like words of wisdom for someone that's hearing your journey that maybe want to embark in what you're doing. What tips do you have for them to kind of help them overcome the hurdles that they're going to present? And in that, how do they then give back more in that process?
Yeah, one of my favorite things to teach people is just how to bet on themselves. I think so many people in this world are so scared to take risks on themselves. But when you truly know what you're capable of and what your worth is, and you bet on yourself and you believe in yourself, you can do so many things in this world. And I learned that when I bet on myself as an electrician and just became the best there was at it and had these skills. But I learned it exceptionally when I took this risk on becoming a real estate investor. You know, I had my parents, I had my employers, I had my friends. Every single one of them told me that this was a risky idea and that I was crazy to go spend $15,000-$20,000 on a training program. But I knew in my core that I had so much more to give this world, that there was something in me that had a spark. And so by learning how to bet on myself, knowing that I was never going to give up, that I had the skill sets to do it, that it was something I wanted to do more than anything in this world, I just didn't let myself fail. And I think so many people allow doubt to creep in. They don't bet on themselves all in. And that's where doubt overtakes them. And that's why they don't succeed. I've never had any doubt. Anything I go into, I believe is going to be 100% and it's going to work. And that's why I believe I have so much success, everything that I touch, because everything I touch, I believe I'm 100% capable of it. So that's the belief that I want to instill in so many people, or the thing I can give them is like betting on themselves that they actually can and capable of it, and going all in. And all in means no going back. It means that you are in and you believe that you're the best at what you can do and you'll go after it no matter what.